Okay, it's Tuesday, April 1st, and there's no weather. April Fools. Okay, it's a 48-hour forecast. Next time I'll do this will be on Thursday the 3rd. So let's get down to this right now. We have some rain moving in. Okay, these are your temperatures to be around 8 o'clock this evening. You can see it's close to freezing up by Bradford and Erie. And as you go south by Pittsburgh, it's in the lower 40s. As we go through the nighttime hours and we get to sunrise, this is around 7 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. A lot of areas you can see have gotten below freezing, but the Pittsburgh and southwestern corner of the state still in the upper 30s to around 40, but most areas have gotten below freezing. Again, trying to tell everybody that winter's not over. We have some rain then, and it's not snow, it's rain this time, and it's going to be moving in tomorrow. We put this ahead. This is around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Pretty heavy line just west of the Pennsylvania Ohio border here, and it's moving in, and it will cross the area during the afternoon hours. Again, this is around 3 in the afternoon. You can see there is no snow in Pennsylvania. This is not, this is a frontal system, but this isn't like yesterday. There was a tornado down by Adamstown, Berks County, but it never hit the ground. It was just a thunderstorm that could create a tornado, so they put a warning out, but it never happened. But there was some flooding rains in some places, and it was pretty strong storms that went on for 2 hours where I live. So that was that. Temperatures when this precipitation is coming in, like I said, it's above freezing. You can see everybody now in the 40s in the afternoon. So that's why we don't have any snow for you snow lovers. As this moves across the state, it clears out this western part of the state. By evening on Wednesday, this is around 8 o'clock, and it's clearing. And then, so we're going to go through the nighttime temperatures dropping. But here's the warm air trying to come back in. And this is 8 o'clock at night, so the front's gone through, right? So here's your warm air trying to make a comeback. So this is around 7 in the morning on Thursday the 3rd. You can still see cooler airs up this way, but temperatures have risen in the 60s. That's because that first front was not a cold front, that was a warm front. But the unfortunate part about this is the cold front's right behind it. Now, this is your precipitation when the temperatures are in the 60s. Again, I said for the summer months, we were going to get a lot of southerly flow ahead of these cold fronts, and it's already setting up already. And so we get these downpours and thunderstorms, and that's kind of the way I think the summer's going to go, but not as often as now because right now we're in transition. So this shows the front coming through. This is 8 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. And then you can see it go down, and as it comes across, it's not as strong as the last one, but it does affect the temperatures. Here's your temperatures as we go into the afternoon. Temperatures are in the 50s, and then they will start to cool off, and the air comes in. And then basically by midnight or so, Thursday, temperatures are dropping down into the 40s, still 50s down here. So it's not a strong cold front. But again, next week, can't stress this enough, going to be way below normal next week. And I will do a video tomorrow to show you what I mean by, the strap warm and then where the cold air is going to come down and where there's going to be a trough next week. So we need to keep an eye on that because things could happen when that happens. I think that'll be your 10 days or so of cold temperatures, and then I think we start to pull out of this. All right, that's your update. You take it easy and be safe.